2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class Review, a refined luxury sedan reborn. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a complete redesign for the iconic luxury sedan, packing in more technology, power, and refinement than ever before. Here's a breakdown of its key aspects. What's new? Fresh styling. The exterior gets a sleeker look with evolutionary changes, while the interior is completely transformed by the stunning MBUX Superscreen, a panoramic digital display spanning the dashboard. Hybrid powertrains. Both the 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder, E350, and 3.0L turbocharged 6-cylinder, E450, engines gain mild hybrid assistance for increased power and better fuel efficiency. Technology boost. The new MBUX system with augmented reality navigation and "Hey Mercedes" voice assistant enhances convenience and connectivity. Additional tech features like digital light headlights with projections add a touch of the future. Increased space. The platform grows slightly, offering more cabin and cargo space, especially noticeable in the rear seats and trunk. Positives. Luxurious and tech-forward interior. The Superscreen is a real showstopper, offering intuitive controls and immersive infotainment. The overall cabin ambience is upscale and comfortable. Improved performance and efficiency. The mild hybrid system adds responsiveness and torque while boosting fuel economy. Enhanced safety features. Standard driver assistance features like automated emergency braking and lane departure warning provide peace of mind. Spacious and practical. The larger dimensions translate to improved passenger and cargo capacity. Negatives. Price tag. The E-Class starts around $61,000 and can climb rapidly with options, putting it in a competitive price bracket. Technology learning curve. The extensive tech features might require some familiarization for less tech-savvy users. Rear seat headroom. While legroom improves, headroom remains tight for taller passengers in the back. Overall, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a significant leap forward for this iconic sedan. Its refined design, advanced technology, improved performance, and spacious interior solidify its position as a top contender in the luxury segment. However, the premium price tag and potential learning curve for the tech features might be considerations for some buyers. Final verdict. If you're looking for a luxurious, technologically advanced, and powerful sedan with a rich heritage, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is definitely worth a test drive. Just be prepared for the premium price tag and be willing to embrace its tech-heavy nature. Additional notes. The E-Class is still relatively new, so long-term reliability data is not yet available. It's important to compare the E-Class to its rivals like the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Lexus GS before making a decision. I hope this review provides a helpful overview of the 2024 Mercedes-Benz E-Class.
Thank you.